Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. Today we are going to be trying a new eyelash hack that I have been seeing, and I'm super excited because I love lashes, but sometimes it's just tedious to do, and this method apparently is a little faster, so I'm looking forward to that. And basically all you need is some lash glue and some lashes. So the lash glue that I have is the Duo Clear Lash Glue, and I did see this in black, but I opted to get clear because I know I struggle with eyeliners. Like if I get black, it dries black, and then I have glue places I don't want it to be, but if it dries clear, we're on the same page. Okay. I am going to do a good strip. Of glue right across the base of my lashes, just like I would with eyeliner. And I don't know, do I have to let this dry down? I hope this does dry clear. I have a lash flip down. Okay. And I have some Milk mascara on my lashes already. Ooh, my bottom lashes are getting stuck in the glue. How is that happening? Okay, so for these lashes, for my lashes, I'm going to use some lashes that I picked up from the hair store. I thought these are pretty cool. They're like small and wispy, but they're 3D as well. And I lost my tweezers a few weeks ago. Still don't know where they are. So I'm just going to use my hand, which is pretty easy for me to do, but yeah. Oh wow, I like this already. Oh wow, I like this already because I didn't accidentally like hit my lid and then get glue stuck on my lid. Like I have so many pictures that I wasn't able to post because of the angle that it was, and you could see the black dot of glue that touched my eyeshadow, and I just didn't fix it. Alright, now let's do this one. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's push that in and push this one in, and it's dry. Oh, look at how I did a good job. It's a little glossy. I wonder if the glue is a little glossy right now, but that's the easy fix, because if it's still glossy, we could just, like, you know, put a little translucent powder up there to make it not glossy. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to give these a second to dry clear. Wow, it's like magic. And look at how close my lashes are. This is not a tutorial video because it's my first time trying it, but go look for some tutorials on how to do this from the professionals and give this method a try, because do y'all see? That shit just worked. Like, I never do my lashes on camera because it seems like that shit takes forever. You gotta put the glue on the strip, then you have to let it sit and let it dry. And with this, well, y'all saw what I just did. Like, that's it. That's it. I'm done.